Hi guys, and welcome to Ratio1 Protocol SDK 101 tutorial series. In this series, we'll build small demos, play with bits of code and share snippets of information. We will start from scratch most of our episode just by installing the SDK, then dropping some codes and quickly testing things out. And in most of these tutorials we'll be using a public Ratio1 test subnetwork. For our debut episode, we'll be keeping things simple, just setting up the dev station and checking out which nodes are itching to say hello to us. First, let's see if we have Python and pip installed. For most of the tutorials, we'll be using Ubuntu or dev containers, but for this episode and maybe also for other episodes, we'll be using Windows, just for the sake of variety, as variety is the spice of life, right? So now the next step is to pip install upgrade new client. Now let's use the CLI tool nepctl in order to inspect which nodes are itching to say hello to us. As you can see, the SDK being a first time installed on this machine has not been finalized in terms of configuration properly, and we need to add a user and a password for the PubSub server that acts as a communication broker for this Ratio1 protocol subnetwork. Due to the fact that we had a clean install, and with this particular version 2.5, there is still the requirement to manually add the authentication credentials inside the config file of the Ratio1 SDK. We need to edit the file. Starting from version 3, we will have automated authentication system, so no more editing. Nice. Okay, so once we updated the credentials, now we can check the nodes, and as you can see, we are connected to one of our Ratio1 subnetworks and ready to roll. Next time we'll dive into some straightforward examples, coding examples. So see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe to our video channel and stay in touch to get ahead with mastering our new decentralized development platform for AI. Explore, decentralize, and disrupt. Goodbye.